Hi guys, welcome to Munia Multibaggers, where we discuss about multibagger stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Vodafone Idea. And guys, I just purchased Vodafone Idea's shares today. I was already holding from the level 10 when the share price was 10. I added more today. As you see on the screen, I added at an average price of 14.44 today, and the last traded price was 14.7. So that feels good. Of course, tomorrow the price might again, fluctuate, come down or go up. But of course, the reason I purchased is because I believe in Vodafone Idea that it would go up significantly. Apart from that, I also purchased some few other stocks which I, keep sharing on Twitter. But today we are going to discuss about Vodafone Idea in this particular video. Uh, we are going to cover the latest news, the price target, and is it a good time to buy Vodafone or exit Vodafone or hold Vodafone? And this video would be helpful for you guys if you're already holding Vodafone Idea or planning to buy Vodafone. Uh, so this video I'm sure would be helpful. So just stick till the very end, and I'm sure you'll learn a lot about Vodafone Idea and its latest happenings. So guys, let's have a look at the latest news. Okay, starting off from last month. So there was a price hike. So if you guys are holding Vodafone and aware about what's going on with the stock and the company, then you might be aware that there was a price hike by 20 to 25% for prepaid users. Or if you're also having a Vodafone phone number, then of course you might be knowing that because you might have paid extra or a premium for your recharge plan. So what does this mean for the company is basically they would be making 20 to 25% more revenue, and more importantly, they would be making much higher profitability from this step. And this is a good news, guys. And the thing is like many people would be thinking that okay, they hike the price and then the prepaid users would jump to a different number. Like many people do that, right? Like who don't want to have a particular number, or even in that case now these days it's like you can still have a same number and you can still port to a different company. But the good thing is the entire telecom sector has almost like hiked the prices, so whether it's Airtel or Geo, so the telecom sector itself has hiked the prices. So it's even Stevens game. All the companies make higher revenue and more profit. So, and since last month, Vodafone Idea has, of course, made a high of 50 to 60%. So this particular news was about tariff, which was important because this comes under fundamentals. And the next news is Vodafone Idea long-term buy and hold or just a trading bet? So do you want to make a quick profit of 10-20% and get out of this share, or do you think that Vodafone Idea would be a long-term play and you might want to hold for multi-bagger returns? So according to this particular article, so Vodafone Idea managed to raise funds for debt repayment, and we have seen a fair amount of traction on the stock. Definitely, yes. So, guys, this is again crucial. Vodafone has managed to raise funds for debt repayment. So that's like they have raised funds, guys. So company is having funds, will be raising funds, and they would be in the market for a longer time and also competing with its rivals. So this is positive news, guys. I mean, there are multiple positive news. Price hike and then manage to raise funds. So so this is good news both from trading perspective as well as long-term hold perspective. So again, this comes under fundamentals because company has raised funds. So this particular news article is also helpful. The next one is MFs bought Vodafone Idea and Zeal in November slash exposure. Okay. So there you go, guys. So mutual funds are buying Vodafone Idea. What better indicator than that? And that's also one of the reasons why the price shot up so, you know, sharply. So mutual funds are actually buying Vodafone, guys. So that's a good thing because the more the The more mutual funds players they accumulate Vodafone Idea, the lesser the amount and the number of shares would be available in the market. So that means the price would continue rising. And in fact, Vodafone was their top mid-cap buy as funds held 50 crore shares of the telecom company at the end of November, compared to 36 crores. So from 36 crores to 50 crores. So that's like almost like 14 crores shares they bought in, the mutual fund players. Then we have another latest news article, which is of today itself, 16th of December 2021. We finally know why the Vodafone Idea stock rallied over 50% in the last 1 month. All right, guys. So this is again a crucial press release. So many of you would be wondering, like, what happened to Vodafone Idea all of a sudden, right? Like the price went up 50 to 60%, from 10 rupees to almost 15, 16 rupees, even 16.5 it touched. So let's find out like what happened. Although we have almost found out like 80% of the things, like they have managed to raise funds, they have done the price hike, and they are in the market for competition with Airtel and Jio. So as per this particular update, Vodafone Idea stock has seen a massive uptrend over the last 1 month. Yes, according to a new report, Vodafone Idea could finally be ready to raise equity either from the promoters or private equity firms or both. Okay, guys, so the Vodafone Idea is raising equity either from the promoters or private equity firms or both. The market seems to have caught a whiff of it, sending the stock rallying by over 50% in the last 1 month. And Vodafone Idea shares were up nearly 3% when compared to the previous closing price. Okay, that's about intraday. Not today's, but previous time. So guys, the news and the press release, they are all a positive sign for Vodafone Idea. Okay, this is again of 16 December today's. Vodafone Idea plans to spend its way out of crisis, will increase capex to $4 billion. Guys, again a massive news, guys. So Vodafone Idea is planning to spend its, I mean, get out of the crisis that it has been going on since so many years. So what better than that, guys? Like Vodafone Idea, like many people thought it's a dying company or it's already dead, but then Vodafone Idea might rise like a phoenix rising from the ashes. So if you guys are holding Vodafone Idea, then like of course you might be in significant gains already, or if you're planning to enter, then let's find out the price targets soon in this video. Just watch till the very end. So this is big news, guys. Vodafone Idea plans to increase its capital expenditure fourfold, guys. Fourfold, and this is today's news. So if we like correlate with the price, so would it be a 4x from current price? We'll find it out in this video. So to $2 billion from $500 million. Okay. So right now from $500 million to $2 billion, that's 4x, guys. So right now if the price is around 15, so would that mean that the price target would be 15 into 4? Yes, or maybe not. We'll find out in this video, guys. Just watch till the very end. All right, this is massive news, guys. So this is amazing. So Vodafone, like we can trust on this. So far so good, guys. Vodafone Idea. Uh, the people who are using Vodafone phone number, Vodafone SIM cards, of course they would be comfortable as well because they know it's a running company. It's not that company is dead. So it's great going, guys. So all this news and press releases. So and here, guys. So this is our Twitter channel. Do follow our Twitter channel at the rate Munni_tips. So wherein we keep sharing all the latest stock updates, multi-bagger updates, and all the price action. So this was a tweet on 17th November, guys. So I tweeted accumulate idea at CMP 10, current market price 10. So guys, our buy call is from 10 rupees, guys. So from 10 rupees, we are tweeting, we are recommending, people to get into idea. And of course, it's not a financial advice, guys. It's never a financial advice. This video and all the tweets are just for educational purpose. So for any financial decisions, do consult with your financial advisor before making any financial decisions. So, but the buy call was at 10 rupees, guys. So it's clearly on visible on the screen, right? So on November 17th, the CMP was 10, and disclosure, guys. Yes, I jumped into Vodafone at 10. In fact, my average buy price was like around 10. And kudos to all of you who already, were into idea since 5 rupees, 4 rupees, 6, 7, 8, and all the lower prices, guys. So one of my friends, he got into Vodafone Idea at 5 and he exited at 15. Well, I mean, it's a decent return, 3x. And there are people and myself as well who got into 10 and 15 levels also. I feel comfortable. In this video, we'll completely discover like why is it still a comfortable factor to jump into idea right now. So guys, this is Vodafone Idea chart. And look at this, guys. This is 17th of November, the time of tweet. Look at this, 17th of November. And this is 17th of November when the tweet was out and it was fluctuating around 10 rupees, 9.9, 9.95. So it was a great time to buy, guys. I mean, when I recommended people at 9.9, at 10 rupees, uh, people were laughing at me. They were literally spitting on my face that, Vodafone is a dead company. The stock price has gone from like come down from 100 rupees to 5 rupees. So there's nothing left in Vodafone is what the opinion of the people were. But then everything's in front of you guys. There was a tweet, there was a buy call at 10, and the price went up till 16.5 roughly. So that's 65% returns. And current price, of course, is 14.5, 14.7. So that's 47% return. So all the way from 17 number at the price of 10, it went up till 16.16. This screen shows 16.28, but on zero the it touched 16.5 because I mean I was seeing that I have some transaction at 16.5 as well, which was a sell transaction, and I sold at 16.5, and that's how I actually got into at lower levels. This is my today's purchase history. So idea I bought at 16.44 average price. So you can see at this tweet got more idea, PC Jeweler and Mangal Credit. Okay, those are other shares. But idea I got into 10 as well as today at 14.44. So guys, this is the idea chart and look at this, guys. The lows were like around 5 rupees, 6 rupees, and it's just all the way up from there. And probably somewhere around here is when actually mutual funds started accumulating as well in October, November. So let's look at further details, guys. So market cap of Vodafone is 42,185 crores. Let's consider round off as like 40,000 crores. And excuse me. Here's the shareholding pattern. So the promoters are having 72% shares, and the public is in the public market. It's 22.37%. And domestic investors, guys, this particular one, I'm sure it will significantly go up because this is where the mutual funds, fall in and they would have accumulated, as we already read in the news article. So on for the next, I mean, the December month's data when it comes out, this would completely, like take a different shape. So for the price target, guys, like I already, tweeted when the price was 10, I had already predicted like it would be around 3x to 4x. That's like 30 to 40 rupees. So when the price hits like 20 rupees, I would literally be doubling my money, and also other people who got in at 10. So I would be exiting slightly at 20 uh, because I would be literally doubling the cash. So for a safety factor, it would be appropriate to exit at 20. But that would just be a partial profit booking. And guys, for the exact price target, like is it 4x from current levels or is it 4x from 10? For that, actually, we need to compare it with other player like Bharti Airtel. So Bharti Airtel's market cap is about 400,000 crores. Rounding off 400,000 crores. And look at Vodafone, guys. It's just 40,000 crores. And Vodafone definitely has all the infrastructure of in the telecom sector, and they have like crores of users, guys, who like pay month on month for the prepaid plans. So revenue is flowing in. Here we go. So uh, the last quarter's revenue was approx 10,000 crores. Last financial year's revenue was 40,000 crore, guys. So it's not that the company is dead or anything, and such a big company, and it's planning to raise funds and restructure itself and increase the revenue. So it's great going, guys. So for the actual price target from current levels, let's compare it with the Airtel. So Airtel's market cap is 400,000 crores. That's 4 lakh crores. Let's say Vodafone Idea can make up to 35% of what Airtel is, or let's say 30%, guys, because I mean Airtel is a huge big player. So and Vodafone is restructuring itself and trying to get back in the market. Into 0.3. So 120,000 crore, guys. So if Vodafone reaches 120,000 crores, let's divide it by the current market cap, 3. So that's a multiplication factor of 3. And with the current price of 15, rounding of 14.7 is 15. So the price target is coming as 45, guys. Of course, this entire calculation predictions are just for educational purpose. So I might be wrong as well. So this is just a video is just for educational purpose. It's not a financial advice. So 45 is the price target, guys, and I had already predicted earlier for a price target of 30 to 40. So this means the price target would be around 30 to 45. So I mean it's a decent bet, guys. I mean, like, if we know the price target is 30 to 45 and the current price as we see here is like 14.7. So from 14.7, like, it's all the way up, guys. That's how it appears. Of course, if there's a big market crash, then the price might fall and any stock would fall for that matter. So this is the price target, guys, and it's not a very long-term hold, I would say, because once the price hits like around 30 to 40 levels, it would be a risky proposition to keep holding it forever, especially when there's no dividend as well. The dividend yield is 0, as you see on the screen. So the price target of 30 to 45 would be, like where we should plan to exit, and maximum profit booking might happen there as well. So this was about Vodafone, guys. I hope you like the videos. And do you have Vodafone Ideas shares already? Are you holding it? From what levels? Do comment in the section. I mean, do comment below, and how many shares you're holding, if you're comfortable sharing that, or like just at what price you entered. So just leave a comment below, and or if you are already, if you don't have Vodafone shares and if you're planning to enter and uh, you found this video helpful, then also leave in the comments that like it's you are planning to enter Vodafone, and hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. I've made this video, taken out time, like found out all the latest news articles. Also showed you my Twitter account where I had shared the buy call at 10 rupees, guys. So many people who saw this buy call at 10 probably might have they might have taken their decisions if they were comfortable. So you can also like receive Twitter updates, guys. Follow on Twitter at the rate @Muni_tips. Also subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. You would be receiving many more video updates. So subscribe and hit the bell icon, and you would be receiving the new video updates about more multi-bagger stock, guys. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, guys, and thank you so much. Signing off. Take care. Bye.